Hello guys, how are you? Okay, this time I was sharing how you can read the remote website information, how you can download, and then how you can check your internet service provider, what is a public IP address, what is the remote website using certificate, all this information you can use it the car command. Okay, the first thing we just start to read the remote website information, or maybe you can call that we can read the remote website, the website http header informations. Okay, there is a two part. When you request the information, right, there is the http server web server will reply the http header information and body information, but car command we use this slash dash I to check is the http header information. What is the header information? Which means what protocol they are using, what server they are using, what security header they are set. All this information you can check from here. Okay, so let's try to restart from the youtube.com, or maybe you can start from the google.com. Okay, let's wait a few seconds. We will receive the information. We already sent the request. Okay, which means we send the get request to the google web server. Okay, we already received. How do you know that we got the http number 200, which means we all successfully retrieve the http page or http header informations? Okay, so they are using protocol http protocol version 2. Okay, so there is a content type. What is it? Content type the html page. Then you can go all this thing, and then you can obviously know that's one of the server. What is a gws server? I have no idea what is GWS server. Okay, later we go and find what is the GWS server. Then you can go, there is some HTTP content, HTTP XSS production, Xpring options, you know, that's all. There is no mesh security header, only they enable a few, only XSS production, Xpring options. That's all. Cache control, there is no any other informations. Okay, so later we go and find what is a GWS server. Okay, they are using the HTTP version 2, and we successfully retrieve the information. That's all. There is no much interesting things. Okay, let's go and try on the YouTube website, www.youtube.com. Please remember, sir, I just share all this information just for educational purpose only. Okay, don't try to harm their other person properties. Okay, please just sharing the information how you can read the remote website information just for educational purpose only. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, YouTube is we already retrieve the information. Both are saying what is they are using the both the HTTP version protocol version 2, and then we can successfully retrieve based on their number. Okay, then we can see content type http. But what is the difference? When we request the information from google, right, you can see the header information only a few, but when you request the information from the youtube, right, then you can see so much information, much higher than the google. Okay, but obviously the different, they are using the different server. Google is using the gws server, the facebook is using, sorry, the youtube is using the esf server. Okay, this is the different things. And then some security headers, google didn't set, but the youtube is set the xpring option they already set, right? The google's also already set the xpring option. XSS protection already set, but the strict transport security haven't set. Okay, so yeah, permission policy, cross origin, opener, so all these security headers didn't set on the google, but youtube is already there, all this security header. Okay, this is we read the http header information using the car command, using the switch dash I. Okay, capital I. Okay, let's go and check what is EFSF and what is the GWS server. Okay, what is ESF server? Okay, so EFSF server is a custom web server developed by the Google, which means Google created their own custom web server to hosting the YouTube website. Okay, they are using own one. They didn't buy from they didn't use the other person web server. They are using custom web server they develop. Okay, let's try on the what is GWS server. Oh, Google web server. Oh, interesting. Okay, Google web server, they are Just one is a custom web server, this one is a proprietary web server. Okay, Google is using their proprietary web server. They didn't purchase from any other third party web server, well, third party company. They're using their own proprietary web server. Okay, this is just for information. It's really amazing, right? They are using their own web server they created. Okay, this time we go and try the Facebook. Sorry, let me clear the page. Facebook. Okay, www.facebook.com. okay, just wait a few seconds. Okay, finally we received the retrieve the information. When we send the get request, we retrieve the information. Oh, the both are same. They're using the HTTP protocol version 2. They also they are set the same security headers, and then they also set a lot of security header. One of the obvious thing you realize that there is no web server information. There is no any server information. Okay, which means Facebook is hiding their server. They don't want the public to know what server they are using. Maybe they are using the same server you can purchase from the outside, but they don't want to know what server they are using. That's why they are hiding their security header. Okay, so this is one of the interesting thing, right? Okay, you go and try the rest of the web server, which maybe you can try the www.yahoo.com. maybe you can try some other web server. I don't want to show you, just try yourself. Okay, let's go. We going to download the file from the internet. Okay, so this time I don't want to use the web browser to download. I want to download from the terminal. Okay, let's go and try first. Okay, let me copy, and this time I will download the ISO file from the internet. Okay, you can download from the website also, right? But I don't want to download. I want to download from the terminal. Just enter. That's all. I think quite faster than you download from the browser. You download from the terminal, quite faster. Then you have to wait a few seconds. After 100% is finished, then the download will be finished. Okay, 100% is done already. Okay, we downloaded the file. Let's see whether we downloaded or not. Okay, where is the file? Okay, this file, ISO file, we have downloaded this file. Okay, this is using car command to download the file. Okay, this time what we can see is we can use the -v option to check the remote server certificate information. Certificate, which means they are encrypted the connection between the sender and receiver. Okay, just use -v. Then we will try the Google again. Oh, a lot of information, but I don't want to read all this information. I just want to read only the certificate part. Okay, then you can go. Okay, finally we read. There is a SAM, sending and receiving, sending. Finally they are using the TLS13 to establish the connection, and then they are using the algorithm is SHA-384. Okay, then they are accepted all the thing. The domain canonical name www.google.com. Who is the issuer of this certificate? Oh, Google's are using their own company to issue their own certificate. They didn't buy from the third party. They have their own issuer. Is using Google Trust Service. Okay, they issue their own certificate for their google.com website. Okay, so much interesting thing. And then user agent's car. Okay, they allow the car to retrieve the informations. Okay, so the rest of the information is just now we check the header information, right? You also check from here -p option to hit all the security header informations. You can check from here what is the server. Okay, or we use the only header. You type -i to check the security header information. Okay, these two command I don't want to test from here. I want you to test yourself. Okay, call ifconfig.me. okay, you try to test yourself. And then another command is ipinfo.io. Okay, this two